Deep in the heart of the forest, where sunlight filters through emerald leaves and the ground hums with life, an incredible world of cooperation unfolds. Tiny ants march in orderly lines, while squirrels scamper overhead, and butterflies flit between wildflowers, each playing a unique role in nature's grand symphony. Far from being solitary creatures, these animals and insects rely on each other in surprising ways. White tigers are extremely rare in the wild. Most white tigers alive today are in captivity, mainly bred for zoos or entertainment. White tigers in captivity are inbred to preserve the white coat. This often leads to genetic defects such as crossed eyes, cleft palates, scoliosis, and shortened limbs. Lizards are ectothermic, cold-blooded, meaning they rely on external heat sources to regulate their body temperature. The basilisk lizard, aka Jesus Christ lizard, can sprint across water surfaces using its rapid foot movements. Lizards have existed for over 200 million years, dating back to the time of dinosaurs. Many lizards, like geckos, can't blink. They lick their eyes to keep them clean. Elephants mourn their dead. They will touch and revisit the bones of deceased companions. They display complex emotions like joy, grief, compassion, and even humor. An elephant's trunk has around 40,000 muscles used for breathing, smelling, touching, grabbing, and trumpeting. Elephants are herbivores, eating 150-300 kilograms Grasshoppers can jump up to 20 times their body length thanks to their strong hind legs. Grasshoppers make sounds, called stridulation, by rubbing their hind legs against their wings to attract females. Grasshoppers look like small, wingless adults and molt several times as they grow. Grasshoppers live in grasslands, forests, deserts, and even urban areas.
Polar bears are the largest carnivores, meat eaters, on land. Adult males can weigh over 1,500 pounds, 680 kilograms. Polar bear fur looks white, but it's actually transparent. Their skin underneath is black, which helps absorb heat from the sun. Polar bear babies, called cubs, are born in snow dens during winter and are about the size of a guinea pig when born. Polar bears live only in the Arctic, not Antarctica.
Spiders play a crucial role in controlling insect populations, making them important for ecological balance. Spiders inject digestive enzymes into their prey and suck up the liquefied insides. Most spiders are solitary and predatory, feeding mainly on insects. Spiders produce different types of silk for different purposes: webs, egg sacs, wrapping prey, etc. Gorillas are part of the great ape family, along with humans, chimpanzees, and orangutans. Gorillas use tools, show emotions, and can learn sign language. For example, Coco, the gorilla. Gorillas mostly eat leaves, fruit, stems, and bamboo. Occasionally, they may eat ants or termites. Gorillas share about 98–99% of their DNA with humans. Rhino beetles spend most of their life, 1–2 years, as grubs, larvae, underground, feeding on decaying wood and plant matter. Rhinoceros beetles belong to the subfamily Dynastinae, with over 300 species, including the impressive Hercules beetle and Atlas beetle. Male rhino beetles have large, horn-like structures on their heads, resembling a rhinoceros. These are used for fighting other males, not defense from predators. Rhino beetles spend most of their life, 1–2 years. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Lions are classified as vulnerable by the IUCN due to habitat loss, human-wildlife conflict, and poaching. Lions are the only truly social cats. They live in groups called prides. A pride usually consists of related females, their offspring, and 1–3 adult. Lions are carnivores and apex predators. They mainly eat large animals like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. Red imported fire ants are native to South America, but they have spread to the United States, Australia, China, and other countries. Red ants can sting repeatedly and inject venom that causes burning pain, itching, and pustules. Red ants have a caste system with queens, reproduction, workers, foraging, nest maintenance, and soldiers, defense. Red imported fire ants, Solenopsis invicta, but many other species are also red in color.
Tigers are the largest cats in the world. A male Siberian tiger can weigh over 600 pounds, 270 kilograms, and grow up to 10 feet, 3 meters, long with tail. Tigers are mostly nocturnal. Their eyes are specially adapted for night vision. They can see 6 times better than humans in the dark. Tigers are endangered due to poaching and habitat loss. Only around 4,000 tigers are left in the wild. Tigers love water and are excellent swimmers, unlike most cats. They often cool off in rivers or lakes.
Frogs are found on every continent except Antarctica, in nearly every kind of environment from rainforests to deserts. Frog croaks are like nature's dating profiles. Some can be heard from miles away. Frogs in North America can survive being frozen solid during winter. Their bodies produce a natural antifreeze that protects their organs. Not all frogs lay eggs in water. Frogs are found on every continent except Antarctica, in nearly every kind of environment from rainforests to deserts. Frog croaks are like nature's dating profiles. Some can be heard from miles away. Frogs in North America can survive being frozen solid during winter. Crocodiles have been around for about 200 million years, making them one of the oldest surviving species from the age of the dinosaurs. Crocodiles have the strongest bite force of any animal up to 3,700 pounds per square inch. CI. Crocodiles can see well at night and have special valves in their ears and nose to keep out water when submerged. Crocodiles have been around for about 200 million years, making them one of the oldest surviving species from the age of the dinosaur. This hidden harmony proves that even the smallest beings can make a big difference when they work together. Some partnerships in the wild are so clever they seem like something out of a storybook. Take the mighty oak tree and the industrious squirrel, for example. While the squirrel buries acorns to snack on later, forgotten seeds sprout into new trees,